Hey there.
I'm hungry.
Let's drive through.
Order pizza.
No, we can do it.
And it's best when you make it yourself. Kidz Kitchen.
My name's Dakota. I'm a senior at Pacific Hills School in Los Angeles. It's easy to snack badly when you're hanging out, whether it's watching TV, playing video games, or even studying. I'm going to take a break from applying to colleges and share with you my recipe for a quick, healthy, energizing snack, a peach mango smoothie. Delicious. For this recipe, you're going to need to use a half a cup of orange juice, a half a cup of milk, a sliced peach, and a diced mango. To make a fruit smoothie, you're going to need to use a blender. Make sure you get your parents' permission, or even their help. Peaches are out of season, so I got frozen sliced peaches from the supermarket. Mangoes are always in season, but they're difficult to cut, so I got diced mangoes from the supermarket. Pour the half a cup of orange juice and the half a cup of milk into the blender. Add the sliced peach and the diced mango. You're gonna blend for about half a minute or until smooth. Perfect. Delicious.
And it's best when you make it yourself. Kidz Kitchen. And it's best when you make it yourself. Kidz Kitchen.